Right, so she seems all good. I've just got the one number plate lamp to do in there. But I no lights on, so no lights on. Obviously the management light came on because I've had the pipe disconnected by mistake, and obviously there's a wheel bearing fault where it looks at for the traction control light coming on. So it's probably been coming on that, but the guy doesn't use this car much. I can see it's only done about 4,000 miles in the past year. I think we've got an electric car as well, so this one is just for your long distance. So we'll take it here and we'll go back. So I'm still getting this noise for the tension I'm into the mutton one. Hear it? Something happening. Oh, there you go. So I'm going to need to have another look at that. Hear it? Right, because it works the power steering. It's definitely not on it. I've a belt tensioner. It's a new belt. So I need to have another look at this car.